IntelliJacks makes your landing gear intelligent. Eliminate the guesswork.
We're at the campground. We're going to show you how easy it is to disconnect, level, and then reconnect your fifth wheel using IntelliJacks. Now, we sent our families on the other side to go ahead and get the campsite all set up. We said, well, we'll take care of the heavy duty work of the disconnection first. Scott, what's the first step?
First thing we're going to do, Tim, is we're going to lower the landing gear just above the ground. The next thing we're going to do is get the proper disconnect material.
All right, step two.
Step two, we're disconnecting.
Now, you just hit the button one time. Most people have to sit there and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Yeah, well, that is a conventional way of disconnecting the fifth wheel. The IntelliJacks, I've already pre-programmed in my disconnect height. I've pre-programmed in my level. You only have to do that once, and from there on, it's a single push of the button.
So you're going to push the button, it's going to go to the proper height, and then you just pull away.
And I pull away.
Well, it's now at the proper height. What's the next step?
Next step is I get in the truck. You go ahead and sit still, and I'll move the truck out of the way.
This is some hard work.
Take it easy.
That's how easy it is to disconnect. Now, what about the leveling?
Give me a minute.
Yeah, right.
Leveling? We're auto leveling now.
And again, it's because you do this one time and you don't ever have to do it again.
Pre-programmed it in, and that's it.
That is simple.
Now it's going to hit level, stop automatically, and we're camping.
Well, how much trouble is it right now then to reconnect?
You know, I did all the disconnecting. Why don't you go ahead and connect for me?
All right, well, here goes.
Whew, thank you, I appreciate that.
It's a lot of work. Again, you have it all pre-programmed, so we're taking out the guesswork, we're taking out the standing there holding a button and trying to figure out what's going on.
Yep, it's going to go to our disconnect, connect height, and we're done. We back the truck in and
away we go.
Yep.
All right, so now we're connected. Scott, I think we've got all the tough stuff out of the way.
It's done. The only thing we got to do now, Tim, is retract the landing gear.
All right.
The landing gear is going to automatically come up. Now, the nice part about this, it's an added option in that we have a sensor on the landing gear itself to where when it gets all the way up to the top, it's going to automatically shut the motor off to where you're not getting into the gears and you don't hear that clunk, clunk, clunk when you hit the top on the landing gear. So one, it's going to save you the gears. Two, you hit the retract and you can walk away at this time and, you know, put the sewer hose away, put your electrical away. Same as the other buttons, just a one-touch deal.
Well, now you see how simple it is to use IntelliJacks because everything is pre-programmed one time.
One time only. We've programmed in the disconnect height, we've programmed in the connect height, and we've got the level programmed in there, and that's all you have to do.
Scott, some OEMs are actually putting these on their fifth wheels.
That's right, Tim. The product's really taking off. They see the ease in the product. They're putting them on as standard options. So if you're in the market for a new RV, check with the manufacturer. You might already have an IntelliJack on that RV when you purchase it.
IntelliJacks makes your landing gear intelligent. Eliminate the guesswork.